Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Java JDK 24 on AlmaLinux. Okay, first open any web browser, also open terminal, verify whether we have Java is installed or not, Java -- version. See, we don't have Java, so type no, hit enter. Now install the latest version, that is Java JDK 24. Go to oracle.com and download. Then click on products, scroll down, click on Java, then click on download Java. See, here we have the latest version Java 24. If you want older versions, you have to click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Scroll down. Now for AlmaLinux we have to download this x64 RPM package. So click on this RPM package 64-bit. Click on it. See, once we clicked on, download started and its size is 232 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd, then go to downloads directory, ls. See, here we have the RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh, then give JDK, give the tab, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Wait a moment, it is installing. See, it is installing Java JDK 24. We have successfully installed. Type Java -- version. See, we have successfully installed Java JDK 24. Let us create a sample. Press side to insert mode. Paste following code. I will keep this code in the video description. It is just going to print this hello world on the terminal. Save the file. :WQ exclamation. Now run the Java C R2schools. It is going to compile. ls. See, here we have the R2schools class. Okay, now type Java R2schools. See, you got the output whatever is there in Java program. Okay, so we have successfully installed and executed sample Java code. Okay, so rm, remove this RPM package, JDK, give the tab, ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Java JDK 24 on AlmaLinux. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.